In this video, you'll learn about flooring alternatives. What are the different types? Are they easy to maintain? And some of the costs. That's starting right now.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to another Home Buyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from experts to help you with your home buying journey. Now remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm joined by Rebecca Hotchkiss, interior designer with Brookfield Residential, and we're going to talk about flooring alternatives. So Rebecca, let's say I have a room inside my home that I kind of want to do a little different. Let's say a gym or a rec room. What kind of alternative flooring would I use?
So one of the most popular for a gym scenario would be a rubber floor. You can see there's a couple different types of rubber. You have solid, you've got flecked. It's nice because there's a little bit of give. It's not too hard of a surface. Good for running, jumping, for kids playing. We use this a lot in kids' rooms too. It's just a nice kind of alternate to a hardwood or a carpet that has a bit more longevity and very durable.
I guess that was my next question, is how often would you need to either replace it, or does it even need to be replaced?
No, it is extremely, extremely durable. I would say it's probably one of the most durable floors that you could put in one of those spaces. I mean, it's great with water, it's great with, because of that little give there, it really works if you're dropping things, heavy things, treadmills, you name it. It's a great option.
And does it cause any type of warping, or no?
Nope, it's
perfect.
Pretty good just as is.
And tell me, what do we have here? This is very interesting.
So this is a cork floor.
Yes.
This is an option that sometimes people choose to do in smaller spaces of their home, maybe just their basement, maybe just their upper floor. It's a unique option instead of doing carpet or hardwood. You can see there's some pretty neat colors. It does come from a cork tree. So it also kind of taps into those eco-friendly people because it is harvested from a living tree. You don't have to cut the tree down to harvest. So it's nice that has that aspect to it.
And why would you use something like this? Just a different...
For a different look, yeah, for a different look. I mean, in any of the applications that you would use hardwood, you could use this for sure.
Use this?
It's just kind of a little bit of an interesting kind of focal point.
Now, because I have a dog, when I look at something like this, I have a feeling my dog will scratch this within maybe a day.
So it's not the most durable. I mean, dog nails probably don't work well for this. I mean, this one on the bottom here, you can see it has a lot more going on as far as color goes. Sometimes that hides things like scratches, but again, this wouldn't be your most durable floor. I also would probably stay away from water with this. You would worry a little bit about bubbling if it was an area where you were sitting with water. So wouldn't do it in bathrooms, wouldn't do it in kitchen. More of like a recreational basement room, TV room, that kind of thing.
How is this for maintenance?
I mean, one cool thing about it is you actually can refinish it, similar to some hardwood floors. It definitely depends on the product. Some manufacturers may be a little different than others, but it's neat that you can actually kind of sand it down and refinish it if you did want to do that down the road.
Okay. How often can you do that?
It does depend on the product, depends on the thickness of what that actual material is. I wouldn't say more than once usually, and I would definitely go to your supplier for recommendation before doing that initially.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add in terms of flooring alternatives?
I mean, they're both beautiful. You can use them in lots of different applications. I think some people think that wow comes from color, but it is pretty neat to see a different texture, different material, and you still get that same impact.
Perfect. So the question of the day for you, have you ever used flooring alternative in your home? Let us know in the description below. So if you want to know more about flooring, check out our playlist here, as well as our other interior design videos here. I'll see you in our next video.